Welcome to Cloud Genius. Ready to explore cloud tech with us? In this video, we will have a demo about EBS administration. So let's get started.
There are two ways to create EBS volumes. The first method is to create the volumes while creating the EC2 instance that these volumes will be attached to. Let's launch a new EC2 instance. Give it a name. Select an AMI. In this demo, we will stick to Amazon Linux. Next is to select an instance type and size. We'll use the defaults. We'll skip the other settings and head to the storage settings. An 8GB boot volume will be created as a part of the wizard. It's of the GP3 type. You could change the volume size and type from the defaults. We can create more volumes, like the data volumes that will be attached to the instance. We'll change its size to be 20 GB. Now the instance is being launched. Wait a couple of minutes for your instance to be ready. You can check the storage tab of your instance to verify your created and attached volumes. We can see the details of the boot device and all of the block volumes that are attached to the instance. Two volumes are attached. Now the instance is running. Verify the device names for your block volumes. This will be needed at a later step. Let's connect now to the instance's terminal through the session manager. Let's run the disk-free command to see the available volumes. We can notice only the 8GB volume being mounted. What about the other volume? It's attached but needs to be formatted first, then mounted. Formatted and refer to the device name that we have recorded earlier, /dev/sdb in our case. The format is complete, but the disk is still not visible. You need to mount it. Let's create a local directory that will be used as a mount point. We will call it Volume 1. Now, the final step is to mount our volume onto that directory. Now the disk becomes visible and usable. You can use the AWS Management Console to manage your volumes. A known good practice is to rename your volume so you can easily identify. Through this console, you have another way to create and attach volumes to your instances even after the instance has been created. Let's create a third volume. You can control the type, size, and performance guarantees. We will make a 30 GB volume. Make sure you select the same availability zone where the instance exists. Rename it as well. We will call it Volume 2. Wait till the volume creation completes. Now it is the time to attach the volume to your instance. Record the device name. We will need it while formatting the disk from the operating system terminal. As expected, the new drive doesn't show up yet with the disk free tool. We will repeat the same steps of formatting, then creating a new mount point, then mounting the volume. Now, the new 30 GB volume shows up. Let's see how can we easily change the volume attributes. Record the current settings of volume 1. It's currently 20 GB in size. We are going to increase the volume size by adding an extra 5 GB. You could also change all of these performance guarantees. You get a notification that you need to extend the file system on your operating system in order to recognize the new added space. Let's do that. Let's connect back to the terminal of the instance. You can use the list block devices command to verify the new physical size as being detected. But the mounted volume is still reflecting the old size. Now, let's resize the volume to expand into the new added physical space. the size has been adapted. And that concluded our demonstration, where we have seen how can you create and attach your EBS volumes, and even how can you easily modify their attributes. Make sure to watch the remaining videos of the series.